Hey y'all, welcome back, and I am coming with a highly requested video. So today I am doing a two-part sew-in. This is a traditional sew-in where you can wear a side part and a middle part. So as you see me right now, I am just braiding down the leave out. The leave out is the part where her natural hair will be left out in the sew-in. Everything else will be braided up. So as you see, I have this lump of hair between the middle and the side part. This part is important. You will need that lump of hair. That will be your flip, like your flip over here. You'll see later in the video. But yes, leave this part out. You're going to put at least 3 to 4 braids in that little section. So what you see me doing now is a anchor braid. I am braiding a small braid down the middle part. This is gonna does what it says, the anchor braid. I put that on each side of the parting, so I'll do it for the side part as well. Alright, and here I am just doing my leave out on the side. So for traditional sew-ins, you do want to leave out the full front of the hair. So edges, your leave out. The whole perimeter is optional, but we're not doing the whole perimeter this time.
I cannot convince you that I love you for a living. I be on your line, feelings flowing like a river. You be texting back, you and Kiki on the river. Message say deliver, but I know that y'all don't get it. Why you introduce us if you knew that you was with him? Made me shake his hand, we got been fucking for a minute. Walk me off the plane because you know that I'm a swimmer. Supposed to be a dog, but you don't put me in a kennel. Girl, put a muzzle on it, all that barking over dinner. I was fucking with you when you had a tiny presidential. You got better when you met me, and that ain't coincidental. Tried to bring the best out you, guess I'm not that influential. Guess I'm not the one that's meant for you. I can hear your tears when they drop over the phone. Get mad at myself cause I can't leave you alone. Gossiping messages, that ain't what we doing. Yeah. Trapping around the world. Over the phone, drop it. Get more water around you feel. When you drunk, you tell me exactly how you feel.
Alright, and now that we are all braided up, I'm showing y'all the complete braid down. So we have leave out for the middle part and the side part. We have the anchor braids around each leave out section. And then the remaining of the hair, I just braided straight down and connected the braids. Now I go in and put a cap over the entire head. This is a weave-in net. So I went in and sewed probably like, I think I was on my second bundle now. So I can give you guys a more detailed sewing tutorial. Just comment below if you guys are interested. But I just go in and sew as traditional sewing, and then I will show y'all how I sew in that little leave out section that we left in between the parts. So you just go in, go around the head. Okay y'all, here's the important part. This is the part that's going to make your sewing a versatile sewing. So here is where we place those 3 small braids in between the middle part and the side part. Now I'm sewing in small pieces on each of those braids, and you want to make sure it's flat so that you're able to flip it.
Pretty tempting, but pretty taught me ugly lessons. Pretty had me giving more than I was getting. So pretty don't come with something more than I did it. Shame to tell my friends how much I do for you, cause they know that you would never do the same for me. I wasn't looking for your secrets, they just came to me, and they contradicted everything you claim to be. I took you to the club and you hugged on somebody that I know, and I know them type of hugs. Same shit I do to women when I know I used to fuck, and I know they with they niggas but they never brought it up. I'm down these days, down to do better cause you know I done enough. You should lay it down, we'll talk about it when you up. She don't wanna go to sleep, she ain't. I wish that we can change places. Don't want no cool fantasy. She got my heartbeat racing. They say time is. Don't go build a life without me, cause you must be. And I don't wanna go unless you make me. Down on my knees on me, telling me. They say time. been crying, I try to not. Girl, tell me you lied. Let me be that pussy up one more time. Let me be that pussy up one more time. I know that you feel for this. I know that you did not forget.
And after you sewed in all your pieces, make sure you flip it to make sure that it is going to lay completely flat, because we don't want no humpy side part. And it's also going to lay flat with that middle part. So after you do that, I'm going to continue to sew in the rest of the hair, and then we're going to be almost done.
Got a drop on this flexin' nigga. He from Tennessee, I had a thought. She be with this shit, she told me on this flexin' nigga. He from Tennessee, I had a thought. She be with this shit, she told me where he be. I say for sure, baby, let me know if you wanna eat. She like, Vaughn, you already know, just put your girl on fleek. I'm like, cool, I can do that, boo. What you want, some shoes, Jimmy Choo, with a handbag too, red up, baby.
Alright, now I'm just going up and closing that gap up. So it creates a little gap when you're doing the smaller pieces for that part versus the bottom part when we just went from left to right, left to right. So I'm just putting in little tracks right in between there to close that up.
He got a ring, I guess he ain't divorced. Wife probably a whore, now she woke up, she strutting her stuff. This bitch thick as fuck, got in the truck, kissed him on his lip, he cupping up.
Now I'm all done sewing, so I'm just making sure everything is still flat, because that is the key, y'all. Make sure your sew-in is flat. Like, that is the ultimate key. So now I'm just blow drying the hair out, preparing it to get styled. Alright, and when I go in for styling, I like to start with my leave out. So I go in and remove the braids, and then I straighten the leave out, press it out, make sure I'm hitting those edges. I do all of that before I style the entire thing. Do y'all see the blend? Like, we're not even done yet and it is blending. This is why I love to do my leave out before I style the entire thing. I feel like it gives you a better blend and it just makes everything smoother. So y'all see the blend and y'all see the flatness. Like, clock the tea. Clock the tea. I try to tell him lay low. See, don't like the drive, but he stay good. I'm on the way to Clayco. AK-47s in the spots before they made the Draco. I'm just trying to ball and live. 100 mil, I'm calling bills. I'm the boss, pay all the bills. I'm the golden child for real. So I finish, bitch, I will. I've been on my grind for years, and I'm out here trying to steal. I need equity to sign a deal. I'm just trying to ball and live. 100 mil, I'm calling bills. I'm the boss, pay all the bills. I'm the golden child for real. So I finish, bitch, I will. I've been on my grind.
buying cars, I snatched the barbers just for motivation. Shoot out at the spot today, tomorrow we in a new location.
Is it not giving silk press? Whose sewing you know is this flat, y'all? A 2-part sewing at that. I can't. But y'all continue to do that. You want to press out both sides of the leave out, press out every little leave out that you can. I'm just cutting the rest of that cap off, and we're about to get into styling the rest of the hair. Alright, and now I'm just giving it a little bit of character, throwing a little layers in there. And can we just take a moment for the flatness of this sewing? Just take a moment. Okay, anyway, then I do go ahead and go around, and I like to even out the remaining of the hair. So I layer the front, and then I like to blunt cut a little bit in the back. It just makes the hair look fuller. So now I'm just going in with a barrel curler, and I'm just doing some really cute barrel curls throughout the entire head. Alright, and after I finish styling, I go in and do my finishing touches, which is the baby hairs, combing the curls out, all the extra stuff. So now you see me just curling the baby hairs, and I just spray a little bit of hairspray and then lay those baby hairs down. And then I just go in and just comb out those curls and give it a little life, you know?
I need you, yeah, I really do. Tell me what to do. Okay. Tell me what to do. Okay. Tell me what to do. All I know is hit the mall to see what damage I could do. Okay. Deep down, I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy, I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind, I'ma call away, mommy. Come and rescue me. Whoa. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's a come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's a I don't really know how to confess my love. Really seem like I wanna test my love for you. Don't know how to express my love. That's why American Express my love for you. I need you, yeah, I really do. Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. All I know is hit the mall to see what damage I could do. Okay. I give you the world, but there's other planets too. And I need someone to be patient with me. Someone to get money with, not take it from me. They don't even need to be as famous as me. I don't think I meet them at the places I be, but deep down I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy, I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind, I'ma call away, mommy. Come and rescue me. Whoa. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's a comment.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, comment, like, do all the good stuff. And I will see you guys in my next video.
Take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's a crystal. my shoulders.